Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to set up your HomeLink in your 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe. So it's very easy. Now before you do any of this guys, first make sure that you have parked your vehicle in your driveway and you close the garage door. Now press and hold the two outside buttons on the HomeLink system until the LED starts to blink. Now this is the official guide, okay? Inside your Hyundai vehicle, you want to go ahead and press and hold the garage door button on your garage door remote control while you simultaneously press and hold the HomeLink garage door button on your Hyundai rearview mirror. So go ahead and do that and then continue to press and hold until the red light on your rearview mirror turns solid or flashes very quickly. And a slow flash basically indicates that the system is still programming, okay? And of course, you want to go ahead and press the button on your Hyundai's rearview mirror. And if your garage door opens, the programming is complete. And if it doesn't, repeat these steps 1 to 4, okay? If it doesn't work a second time, you can continue through the rest of this guide or just contact the Hyundai Service Center. So, if it still doesn't work, the programming is unsuccessful after several attempts, you locate their Learn Code button on your garage door opener. Now, depending on your model, you'll find it under the light cover on the rear panel. Just go ahead and press and hold the Learn Code button until a red LED begins to blink. Now, you basically have 30 seconds to complete the programming. Okay. And while the LED on the garage door opener is blinking, just return to your vehicle and press the pre-programmed HomeLink button 4 times. Or as many times as it takes for the garage door to respond. That should fix your issue, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to find your solution, and I'll see you in the next one.